Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to make Instagram account private on desktop PC, Chromebook or laptop or MacBook or Mac OS. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open browser and write instagram.com and press enter and open your Instagram. And click on left corner profile and open your profile and click on edit profile and scroll down. Who can see your content, account privacy, click on and click on private account. Switch to private account and this and switch to private, click on, and that's all.